Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Chakra Healing Meditation Series too. Today, as I create this mandala, we will awaken your inner artist, the energy that lives within your sacral chakra, waiting to express freely, playfully, and fearlessly. Close your eyes and imagine a warm sunrise over gentle waves. The sky glows orange and gold. The waves shimmer and move with perfect grace. This is the rhythm of your creativity, steady, peaceful, graceful, and powerful too. Now bring your attention to your lower belly and imagine the waves of light gently moving there. Every breath becomes a brushstroke, every heartbeat another ripple. As you watch the mandala unfold, breathe in inspiration. See colors forming in your mind's eye. Vibrant oranges, pinks, and golds swirling together. You don't have to think creativity. You just have to allow it. Let go of comparison, judgment, and fear of not being good enough. The orange energy in your sacral chakra reminds you are already art. You are already creation itself. Feel your spine lengthen. Feel your body relaxing. Imagine your inner artist picking up brush made of light, painting dreams, painting passion, painting the ideas on the canvas of your soul. Each dot in this mandala represents one spark of creativity awakening within you, soft, steady, and eternal. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either say it out loud or you can repeat mentally too. I am a limitless creative being. My ideas flow easily and effortlessly. I trust my creative instincts completely. Inspiration surrounds me and fills me. Inspiration surrounds me and fills me. Every creation I make carries my light into the world. You are connected to infinite inspiration. All you need is within. If you felt your creative spark is reignited today, share your experience in the comments. Let the words you share inspire someone else to start creating from the heart. Thank you for watching.